Hey there. So this is my Coding Ninja second skill test project. Basically, this is an employee review system where actually admin can control what tasks to assign to the employees and stuff like that. So yes, so this is my project. This is the UI. I have take some help from online to build this, and actually, if I explain everything as the coding ninjas have set the time limit to 5 minutes, it would take hardly a long time. So, uh, before means I might be there will be something that would miss. So yes. So yeah, this is the admin login which I have logged in with. Like suppose this is the total employees. I have just added two employees, just employee one and two, and you can also delete it. Uh, I have given this in boolean value 2 or 3. This is the password. So yes, as I can admin, I can see everything from here. So let's assign a task. Suppose Apple is an employee. So this employee will send a request to Jason. So now let's submit it. Okay. So as you can see that I have sent in request. As soon as I log out from here, I can come here, log in with the employee ID. So here you can see that the task is assigned by admin. So here I can like send a message. For example, nice work. I can review from here that nice work. I have done nice work, and I can send this to you. Okay, so now it has been added to the admin list. Okay, so if I go here, log in over here and sign in. So as you can see that from Apple I have received a message as nice work. Plus there is add employee, stuff like that. Add employees where you can add more employees. For example, let's add my name. So here you can clearly see that one more employee I've added from the name Subodh Usual, and he's not an admin, but I can assign him an admin. I can assign him work. I can make him admin. I can provide him the secret key to make an admin. So yeah, this is the feature, and plus it's have sign in and sign up both the option. In the sign up you can enter the name and sign up over here as an employee. So yeah, it does, and all the thing are storing in the cloud store in the MongoDB. So let's understand the code now. Once there I haven't entered an invalid password. So this is asset basically CSS and all the images. There is a flash middleware which I have used to send messages like success or error. This is the MongoDB connection that I have added. After that there is a passport local.js. Passport is again a library to learn about it. Like you can to serialize basically to user to decide the key which is kept in it. So I have kept the key as happy. You can keep it as whatever you want. After that, let's come to controller. This is the admin controller. So explaining the admin controller, this is the function of work. This will show you the list of employees and yes, all this stuff. And this is the home where authentication is required, reviews of the control systems, and then fetching the users for and reviews, then taking all the necessary parts of it, then taking all the necessary information of the reviewers, rendering the page from home, and all that thing. Review system is bit tough for me to build up, but I have come up with a solution. So yeah, like I have to check whether it's giving an request or not. So for that I have used a splice where I am slicing the index and saving it in the user. After that, if the recipient sends a request, so I am checking its length and assigning the ID to it, and if that matches, then we can provide a content to it. and I'm adding a flash also that please log. Someone's it's not login but still trying to give a review. First of all, it will not give a review. I have programmed it in that way. After that, this is the sign in function. So basically, sign in is required for it to, and then I have used in redirect method. Then I have used a request body password to confirm whether this is the password or not. If that is true, then I can proceed. So yeah, there is only just two models were required because we are just sending two data. First one is like the receiver and sender that I have shown you. So here the type will be string required is true, the receivers and the timestamp. I'm not printing it. I have printed it in the console log, but I have removed it. So yeah, after that you can see there's a user schema where name, email, password is admin or not admin, user to review. Then receiver from this is required, timestamp. So this is the model that I have created. Lastly is the routes. Routes are basically means there are many routes like assign work, view employee, set reviews, new admin, delete the employee, add employee, and many as such like that. After that is the index.js, basically the uh, main routes. For example, user, admin, and reviews. This is for the reviews like new reviews and the ID. This is user.js, which is need where user can send the request and stuff like that. Now comes the views, as these are all EJS files. I have not added the photos. I'm so sorry. This is the EJS. Like if the local is admin is login, then show a different nav bar, and if the employee is login, show a different nav bar. So this is that thing. This is the admin.js. The admin page will be different, as I have already told you. And the last thing is index.js, basically where I have used view engine templates, views, and all the body passers, dbs, mongoose, sessions, password, and all that thing. So I hope, I know that the video have gone means above 5 minute time limit, but the thing was that it was not that easy to explain it in a 5 minutes video because the uh, means uh, yeah, the project is a bit lengthy, so it might take a time. I would not take more of your time, but if you have watched it till here, thank you so much. I hope uh, I have done my project well. Bye.